We only hire sales reps who can bring more than $10,000 in weekly revenue, and they all have to pass 2 interviews and a real door-to-door test day. In this video, I'll show you the exact system we use, including the Indeed and the questions that eliminate 100% of bad applicants. Most window cleaning owners hire sales reps the wrong way. They hire too fast, don't filter hard enough, and hope motivation magically appears. Door-to-door sales is brutal. If you don't filter aggressively, you'll burn time, money, and energy. First way we hire sales reps is Indeed. Notice something very important. We don't try to sound nice. We make it very clear. Door-to-door sales, commission only, exact numbers per sales, and real expectation. Why this works? If someone gets scared by commission, rejection, or walking, they quit before you ever talk to them. And if someone isn't comfortable with commission, they're not built for sales. Key numbers we include is 25 to 40% commission, 1 to 2 hours to get a sale, and this is important for the guys who are switching from other industries, and paid training. We usually pay $20 per hour, plus full commission on day 1. This one actually attracts a lot of reps from other industries. And the full copy-paste description actually of this job you can find directly in the link below. Screening questions we use is: do you have access to a car? How many hours can you work per week? And what interests you about door-to-door sales? And actually, those questions save insane amount of time. Second way we hire, and this is huge, is through personal brand. If you want killers on your sales team, you need to start posting right now. Why personal brand works? You attract people who already trust you. They understand the grind even before applying, and they have much higher retention and better attitude. That's what all the door-to-door window cleaners you see on your For You page actually do. Now to the interview part. We do 2 interviews, not 1. I'll start the call like this. I'm going to ask you a few questions, then I'll tell you more about us, and then you can tell me more about yourself. And the first 4 questions I would ask is: do you have a reliable transportation or a car? Do you have an electric scooter? And do you understand this is commission-based? And are you available to work at least 10 hours per week? If they hesitate or sound unsure, that's already a big red flag. Then I explain who we are. We're a fast-growing window cleaning company in Boston. We pay high commissions, promote fast, and top reps make $4,000 to $6,000 per week. You'll go door-to-door in upper-class neighborhoods offering premium window cleaning, and we use professional equipment, not the cheap stuff, so the service actually sells itself. And we give you access to an electric scooter to cover more territory. Then I ask about them. Tell me more about yourself. What do you do outside of work? Any sports or active hobbies? And this job involves a lot of walking and being outside. Are you comfortable with that? This tells me everything I need to know. After the first interview, I send them our sales pitch. I'll tell them, learn this pitch. We'll run through it together on the next call. If they don't learn it, don't show up prepared or freestyle, means they're unreliable. It's that easy. And if they pass the second interview, only then we move forward. Training day is not classroom stuff. They follow me, they watch me knock, they hear objections, and they see real closes. Then after this, I watch them knock. This is where people either level up or quit. You can't teach door-to-door sales over Zoom. It has to be live, in-person, door-to-door knocking. And last thing, and this matters a lot, don't just hire sales reps and disappear after a week of hiring them. Knock with them, coach them, improve their pitch every single week, and push them to get better and better. Sales reps are your growth engine. If you stop investing in them, they leave. If you want more content on sales, door-to-door, and scaling window cleaning business, subscribe and drop your questions below.